So we managed to find a pretty damn good spot for the races. We are having dim sum, and we've got the track right behind us, and we've got this screen right here, and dim sum. After watching the races in the afternoon, it was time to head back to Hong Kong to meet our family for supper. After dinner, we checked out the famous Temple Street. It's an outdoor market that sells different souvenirs, electronics, clothing, basically little gifts to take back home. Many of the shops started to close early. You can see some of the people covering their faces because there was tear gas shot in the area. So we decided to head back to the hotel just to stay safe.